Good heavens! What happened to you?
Well, we were just...
It's a long story. Could you tell me where I can get cleaned up? Certainly, sir. This way. And you'd better find a washdown too, Thomas. Hurry back now.
I wonder where we are. Oh, perhaps this is Crewe, where Henry went to be repaired. Or maybe Doncaster, where Gordon was built. Or maybe it's...
And just what do you think you're doing with my coach, little tank engine?
Your coach? But this is my coach. Well, technically it's Spencer's.
Oh,
but
I can't waste time listening to your excuses. Now couple it up to me and we'll forget all about it.
I think you'll find that this coach belongs to this engine, Duchess. Your coaches are being checked over in the carriage works.
Oh, right. Oh, I thought, carriage works, you say. Oh, yes. Oh, of course. Excuse me.
What a funny engine. Oh well. Where's that washdown?
Hi everyone, Thomas here. If you'd like to watch more, check out some more of these really useful videos and make sure to subscribe.